Hi, welcome to All You Can Watch YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to apply for JEE Mains. Go to Google and search for JEE Advanced, JEE Mains National Testing Agency. Open the link. Click here Apply for Main 2021. You will redirect to a new page. Here you will see two tabs. One new registration, one already registered candidate. Already registered candidate can fill the application name and password. Just sign in. And here click on new registration for fresh applications. Here we have courses, gender, male, fee concession, etc. details. You can read it later. Now we'll go further. For here click on terms and conditions and click here for personal details. It is a step-by-step procedure, registration application form and payment. So here you have to enter candidate's name, enter the certificate name, which is, so then father name, mother name, enter your mother name, then date of birth. Take care all the application filling should be like 12th standard, what we have written in 12th standard document. Date of birth, candidate date of birth, select the year. I can't show you how the panel exactly looks because the personal information is there. I can't share the personal details, so I'm blurring all the details. Anyhow, I will explain. So gender type, identity type, mole, you can write left hand mole, whatever you have moles. So enter valid government identity card number. Identity type, you can select any identity card number. You have selected Aadhaar card, enter Aadhaar number. Address, present address, you can give present and permanent address, both can be same. You can type if you are living somewhere else, if you want to get other details in your village address or permanent address, you can change both address. It's better to keep both the address same. My advice is to keep both address same. So here address line, locality optional. You can fill locality, city, town, village, whichever your accounts under, fill the details. Country, obviously India, mainly we target Indians apply more, so here we select Indians. There are other states, other countries, other country people can also apply. Select your state, the district which you belong to, pin code must be, alternate contact number. Give the alternate contact number. If you have lost your permanent contact number, it will be useful. Email address, please enter a valid email address, mobile number also. These are mandatory. If you have forgot password, if you want to change anything, these are the major communication. So you have to use a proper email address and mobile number. Don't forget. Valid email address. Yeah. Fill the details. Then if you have to click the permanent address, if the permanent address and the present residing address are the same, then click same as present address. All the details will be filled automatically. You don't have to type again. If both are different, where you are living and your permanent address, if both are different, you have to type again. If not, just click same as present address. That's it. We'll go further. Next. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Same as parent address. Choose the password. Now you have to choose a secure password. It must be 8 to 13 letters, 13 words between. At the rate or asterisk symbol, any special characters also, and capital letters. Keep it a secret password. Type a password. Please note it down. Many people forget the password. Please make a note of it. Anyway, security question. Keep a security question. Anything. It will ask for some security question. Whatever you choose, how to remember it. And click all the my name, father name. Please check all the boxes. And before going further, please review your application. These are the final confirmations. Whatever the details you have entered, this will show you here for the final submit. You can't edit further. So you have to make sure all the details filled correctly. If anything is wrong, you have to go back, and there is a chance you can still edit all your application details. So don't be in a hurry. Be cool and check all the details. Cross check everything, because it's your first stepping stone to your career. So make sure. Now click on I agree and final submit. The declaration is cleared. How to wait. You wish to submit? Yes, I'll submit. So this is the first step is complete registration form. Now we are going to application form. Now here click complete application form. The first step is completed registration. So your application number here it will show. Now candidate's name for candidate date of birth, this will show automatically because you already registered. In case of girl candidate, are you only girl child of your parents? So select if you are only girl child. For the name, mother name, nationality already there. Union territory equivalent of parent. So select if you are from a state, union territory, anything else. And category OC, BC, SC, ST, OBC. These people comes under OBC candidate. They can select the thing. Physical handicapped, whether if you are a physical handicapped, please select it. You have to submit a document. If you are a diabetic, if you have any disease, you have to select all the things. Place of residence, how to enter the place of residence. Mode of preparation, self-mode preparation, or you are taking a coach, urban, anything. Medium of schooling in English, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. You can select language. Applying for BTech, BE. What are you applying for? Please click it. Session of exam applying for February session, March, April, May. Select the session. If you want to select all of them, you can select. And question paper medium. Which medium you want question paper? February. This candidate I'm filling for somebody else's application, so they are choosing February. Yep. Next, we'll select question paper medium. Question paper medium, yeah. English, Hindi, Bengali, Kannada, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Odia. Most people prefer English or their mother tongue. You can select your own mother tongue. Select it. Exam state, city choices. You have 4 options to select. Select your nearest locations. This guy is from Telangana, so selecting state Telangana. All the state circles in near Telangana. So yep. Keep in mind, select locations which are near. Hyderabad is near for this candidate. Then select whatever. If you are resident of Mumbai, Maharashtra, select Mumbai. Any other places, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, any place. Now you have to fill education details. 10th or equivalent mark details. 10th class passed, yes, that's why we are applying for JEE. Year of passing, please select the year of passing. And the qualifying exam. 10th or equivalent, select 10th or equivalent. Place of schooling, rural, urban, select it. Type of schooling, state government or central government. Select qualification exam, Telangana State Board. Here we are selecting Maharashtra State Board, Delhi State Board, anything. Qualification exam district, then select your district. School board, Maharashtra School Board, Telangana School Board, Andhra Pradesh School Board, Chhattisgarh Board, Delhi School Board, anything. Select your school board. Then result, percentage CGPA, percentage marks, select it. Maximum grade points, here we have in Telangana 10 maximum grade points. This candidate have got 9.3 CGPA. Roll number, you have to enter the number, school board roll number, college name, school name, college name, and address. You have to enter the correct details. Please be careful. Sacred Heart High School, it's interesting. School college pin code, have to enter the pin code properly. Make sure 12th or equivalent mark details. Pass status, if you are still haven't completed final year exams, please select appearing. Year of passing or appearing 2021, so please select it. Intermediate, here we call intermediate or 2-year pre-university examinations, so please select it. Place of schooling, rural, urban, select it again. Again same procedure is same. Type of schooling, government, board, qualification exam district, select the district, school board, which is your school board, or result mode, roll number, enter roll number. 12th intermediate, we call it intermediate here. Junior college level, senior college level. In Telangana we call junior college, senior college. Yep. School college pin code, enter the any pin code here. Yep, that's it for 10th and 12th standard education details. Now we have to fill additional details. We'll go further. Let's wait for a minute. Additional details, no. If you have any additional details, please select. Otherwise, please select no. Qualification, parents' income details. You have to enter the parents' income details to avail the fee exemption. So graduate, if your father, if you're a farmer, is a farmer, or a teacher, or a lawyer, please select, or a doctor, anything. Up to income, up to 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 10,000, 15,000. Annual income, so it can't be 10, 15,000. Please select the CAPTCHA. And particular check to be verified, my mother name, father name, date of birth, gender, category, subcategory, question paper medium. These are the major fields we have filled. So please check all the details again. Please go back, it will show you a preview version. Please confirm, please verify and confirm. The second step is also completed. Now you have to upload your documents. This is the most important thing. So applying documents. So minimum size is photograph 10 KB, maximum size is 200. So 10 to 200 KB, and signature should be 4 to 30 KB. Category certificate, that should be 50 to 300 MB. It should be in a PDF format. Category certificate should be in a PDF, but not image format, JPG or JPEG or JPG format. So select the image. Yep, that's it. You can scan. This is the procedure. You can still scan. I'm scanning here. Selected the file. Scanning page 1 for the application process. So you can actually use online tools to scan or resize your images. Anything. There are a number of tools. If you want to convert image into PDF, use I love PDF or anything. So it must be 10 to 200 KB your photograph. Please make it sure, and also use a latest photograph, that will be better. and this is the document I'm using, so I have to convert it to PDF, and the size should be 300 KB, sorry. So please make sure I'm editing them. This is the old version, so I'm editing online. You guys can use online tools. Right? So this is a declaration form actually, COVID-19. So I'll take care of everything. That's the declaration you're going to do. Yeah. Category certificate, just upload it, submit and preview. You have to take a preview if your details didn't show clearly, so please check these check boxes, self-verified things, then click on the security code case sensitive, so please enter security pin means this security capture code. Please agree to the terms and condition. So third step is completed. Now we are going to the application payment. 325 rupees this candidate has got to pay. 325 rupees. Online payment mode. Please select online payment mode. So yep, select your bank, SBI bank, ICICI, Axis, anything. Here I'm using my default username and password. I have these details. So please make sure don't share your passwords. All government is warning you. Yeah, there are multiple modes of payments. Please choose any of the payment mode. I'm using my personal details here. Login. Almost pretty much everything is completed now. This is the simplest procedure. Don't worry guys. Be cool and apply properly. Make sure you have a proper internet connection. That's it. So confirm the account details. I'm confirming the security code. So I'll enter the security code. So this is the final step. After this, you have to download your application form. So keep it. Why don't you guys keep it in your store it in a place, so it will be used further. So payment is successful. Check my application. Click here to return to the National Testing Agency JEE Mains 2021 site. So I have to click there. It will redirect me to JEE Mains site. Yeah, that's it. I'm ready by set. See here, green symbol is download this confirmation page. Here is the details. How all the details, application number, application ID, everything is here. That's it. That's it for the day, guys. This is the application form I filled for JEE Mains. Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe and support. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you very much for guys.